Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do something a little bit different and come up here with my foundation already done. So let's get into the eye look. First, I'm just gonna set some loose powder under my eyes so that I don't get any fallout. And next we're going back into the Nicka K Sugar Plum eyeshadow palette, and we're using this white base. And we're just gonna blend it out so that the colors pop. So now we're going into this Sugar Plum Fairy palette, and fair warning, I'm literally playing in makeup this whole video. Like, I have no idea what type of outcome I want. I'm just going for it. So I picked that bright pink and I'm just putting it all over my crease just to make sure it pops and it's just that nice wash of color. My intentions were to use all the pink colors and create dimension on my eye, but as you'll see, the colors in the palette are very similar to one another. So I was trying to deepen the pink in my crease, but that's not gonna work. So I'm gonna end up picking up a pink blush that I had in my palette. See, look at my face. I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, I picked up this pink blush that I got from the beauty supply stores from LA Colors. I believe it's Very Berry. And I'm just using that to deepen the pink color in my crease. Now my eyeshadow collection does not have many colors. So you'll notice that I'm infamous for using any type of powders that I have in my collection. Whether it be blushes or face powders. If it's a powder, it can work on your eye. Just know that. Now I'm just going back in and reapplying that white base where we lost it on my lid, just to prepare for any colors that we put on after this. Once again, don't forget to blend out the edges of that base. And I'm going back in with that blush to further blend out those edges. That way the transition between the base and, you know, the blush in my crease is seamless. Now we gonna see what these shimmery pink shades are hitting on. I have no idea what I expected or what look I was going for, but clearly I wanted to put a shimmery shade on my lid. And yeah, let's just see how this goes. Now I already knew from using the purple colors that I had to spray some type of solution on my brush to get the color to show up. But as we see, not even that is gonna help this pink shade. Regardless of the shimmery colors not being that great, I quickly saw that I didn't like what was going on. You know what I'm saying? Like, I didn't want pink in my crease, pink on my lid. Like, I didn't know what I was going for, but I knew I wasn't going for that. So right here, I'm brainstorming and seeing what I need to switch up. So let me tell y'all what I was thinking. I didn't have any makeup wipes, and I didn't intend on having to redo anything. So I decided to pick up this liquid lipstick I had that I know I could use to like go over that white color that I put down. And so yeah, I'm really just winging it at this point, but I'm using that pink lipstick as a base for the colors that I plan on using, whatever colors they may be. So I decided to pick up this black single eyeshadow from Wet n Wild, and I'm just using a small angle brush to deepen the outer corner of my eye. Not sure if the lipstick will stay there or not, but I know that I had to like switch it up a little bit. So in order to pull this off, you have to really blend out that black color. So now that I've done that on both eyes, I know that, my lid is missing something. So I'm considering what color I'm going to put over that pink lipstick, because that pink and black just isn't going to work. But first I'm going to use the matte purple in that palette just to further blend out the black outer corner and deepen the crease. So I officially gave up on that palette for this video, and I'm going into this Juvia's Place. That's one of the Warrior palettes, and I wanted to get a bright shimmery color to put on the lid. So I chose that color in the middle, and I figured if I put that over the pink lipstick, then it would come out, like with a nice pink tone underneath. Now that we are finally done with the eyes, like that's it. I'm not adding anything else. I'm going in with the black eyeliner in hopes of pulling this look together. And of course, this is the Wet n Wild waterproof liner. Now I'm just going to sweep away that loose powder and finish it up with some of my face powder just to make sure I'm not ashy. And I'm going to continue with the rest of my face. And so I'm going to use a little bit of the same blush that I put in my crease for the blush on my cheeks. And I'm going to go back into that Red Glam blush palette from Nicka K. And I'm just using that highlight shade for my highlight. Now the key to not look ashy is to use some type of setting spray to take away all that powder so that the makeup really sinks in your skin. And for my lips, I'm going to use this e.l.f. liquid lipstick in Berry Sorbet. And I lined my lips with the Milani color that I put on my eyelids. And that completes the look. As you see, I'm trying to convince myself that this is good enough. Like, I'm trying to make sure I'm okay with it. Hey y'all, so this is the final look. I must admit, not super happy with it. Probably because I'm not comfortable with the color pink for real. Like when I went into the bathroom on really good lighting, the first thing I thought was, okay, I look like a fucking Barbie doll. And not a good, like, Barbies are pretty, but those 90s Barbies had pink and purple eyeshadow and it was a lot. I'm like, I look like a Barbie doll. I look like I dance on like a little girl's dance team, like Dancing Dolls or something. It's a lot. However, when I went in the living room, my boyfriend really liked it. So that's a good sign. But it also, you know, I couldn't help but think like, man, you ain't seen me in makeup in forever. So maybe, you know, I just look good to him because I'm did up. But nonetheless, this is the look, and child. If anything, this is like if Winging It was a person. I don't know. I don't know. This outro is not like normal, but hey, I'm not a professional makeup artist, so at the most, I'm at least walking you through what it's like to pick up some products and just play in them and see what happens. I would not recommend those small eyeshadow palettes. I say I wouldn't recommend it because this was horrible. I have a purple look that I'm going to upload also, and I really had to do a lot with it. So I would not do this. Now, I did take a chance on this because I bought this one, and this is the one that I did that yellow eyeshadow look with, and I just really liked all these colors. Like, they were super pigmented. But one is RK by Kiss, and one is Nicka K. So I have a red one that I wanted to do a red Valentine's Day makeup look with, and we're going to see how it goes because I bought it. And I don't know, the colors just look really pretty. So did these, but child. If it weren't for those matte colors, I would trash it. Which was only $3, so who am I hurting? Like, I don't even think I'm hurting nobody's feelings by saying it. But yeah, if you made it to this point, then you know how much it took to get this look. I didn't even commit to like putting lashes on or anything, but I wanted to work my way through it because if I were getting ready to go out and my boyfriend was waiting on me, wiping my face and starting over would not have cut it. So, you know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. It's good for like Valentine's Day. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like me like walking through my mistakes with you because I know a lot of the makeup girls have time to practice and rehearse and all that stuff. No, if I say I'm gonna record, I set out time to do it, and that's pretty much all the time I have. So yeah, I'm satisfied with how it turned out because at first it did not look like it was gonna go well. So I'm happy I did come up with this. It is wearable in a sense. So yeah. stay tuned for, I don't know if this look is going to be up first or my purple one, but I'm also going to have a red one too. I'm just going to play in it and see what works. And what are you guys doing for Valentine's Day? Let me know. I think we're just going to stay at the house and like do it real romantic and whatever without going out or, you know, risking COVID. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this short because you know, kind of fighting with him to record this. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.